In this video, we will compare N8N versus Airflow. N8N and Airflow are both powerful workflow automation tools. However, they cater to different needs and audiences. N8N is an open source, no-code automation platform designed for users who want to automate tasks and integrate various applications without requiring any coding skills. It provides a virtual interface where users can create complex, multi-step workflows by connecting various services and databases together. N8N is highly flexible and customizable, making it an excellent choice for teams that need automate a wide range of business processes. From simple tasks to more advanced integrations, it's particularly popular amongst non-technical users and more medium to small large businesses, which is user-friendly. Airflow, on the other hand, is an open source platform designed for data engineers and orchestrates complete workflow, primarily at large scale data pipelines and dispatch process. It was built for developers and data scientists who need to manage their schedules. That involves a large amount of data. With advanced capabilities for monitoring, logging, and retrying activities, Airflow is known for its scalability and is well suited for larger organizations dealing with complex data workflows. While N8N focuses on simplicity and broad approach to automation, Airflow excels in complex data-driven workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.